we go, guys. What up, the Horseman fans and everybody out here? This is the Horseman channel. It's been about, I don't know, a month or so since my last video. I apologize. I've been working 10-hour days at the Ford dealership. It's been nuts. But we are here back at STL Mustangs, with the Shelby today. And got a little treat. Got the Boss 302, the twin turboed one. Gonna get on some E85 today, so that's gonna be sweet. But also, so the reason why my Shelby is here again today is basically for two reasons. I'm having issues with my line lock because it's aftermarket, getting all funky with me with the traction controls not working properly, and my right taillight passenger side is just acting goofy. I think I've told you guys on a couple videos before. I just can't get the sequential part of it to work properly. I've replaced all bulbs, I've tried everything, so he's going to try to go through and make sure it's not a ground issue today, and maybe we'll go from there. But I'll be keeping you guys up to date, and take a look in this shop. It's nuts.
It lasted a bunch of track times. I mean, I'm surprised this drive shaft lasted this long. It's got at least 50 passes.
Look at this, guys. Clean Termy. And it is Kenny Belled. There's a clean 03, 04 Cobra. I don't even know. I think it's an 04. Black was a common color in 04, but maybe not. But Kenny Bell on there. Woo. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I'll be keeping you guys posted for sure. You can get one of these,
yes, sir,
and make it nasty. But you got something nasty right here.
Yeah, but this is my baby right here, though. I need like a toy.
A toy.
Something I can just take out and just drag everybody in Springfield, drive back home, have a beer, and go to sleep.
There we go. There we go. All right, guys. The boss is getting some E85 put in her. Oof. This is what it needs to take on a Shelby.
About to get all that 93 out.
Mm-hmm.
Some of that E85 in.
Yes. Man, I'll tell you what, Jay. Your car sure is pretty. It's a good looking ride.
Yeah. I mean, you don't really have to pay attention to the front, just more so the back. That's what you'll generally be seeing. You know,
oh, that's what I'm going to be seeing?
Fiber spoiler just for you and Ash.
Oh, okay.
So, look at it.
So we can look at that. Okay.
Yeah, I got some new tail lights.
I appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Some new tail lights. This one's going to be Daniel.
Okay.
The other one's going to be Ash.
Oh, so you got Daniel on this side, Ash on that side. All right. Good to know. Okay. I like this. Man. No smack talk whatsoever.
Dude, it seems like it's been like a while since we planned for this car to be on E85, all motor, then we boosted it, and clutch issues.
Because you never went to E85.
Nope.
That's
Nope.
right.
And that was a few months ago.
Man, yeah, it's been a minute.
It's been a journey just to get on E85.
What all did you have to do?
Injectors, booster pump, and really that's it. But you know, the clutch was spinning last time, or slipping on the dyno side. Put some more miles on it, so we'll see if she holds today.
Agreed. Unfortunately, the roads are wet out there, but it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, Bob seemed to not understand how you could take me.
It's the boss, that's why, man. Look at your shirt. Look at your shirt.
Oh yeah, guys. I did some moral support today. I'll show you. This is strictly for Jay because he needs moral support.
I need all the help I can
he
get.
needed that Boss 302 shirt right there. So I did this specifically for him today to lift his spirits because, you know, he's always trying to catch that Shelby. Hopefully about to get some runs in, guys.
No, we're draining the gas first.
Oh, we're draining all the 93? My bad. Gonna drain the gas. 93 coming out. Gotta go, guys. I can tell already. What the hell?
See how quick it just whoosh. Oh, it's E85 now.
Woo!
Let's see what it made on dyno.
What do you think, man?
Oh man, she smells good.
Let's see what we got over here. Woo! Alright guys, they are currently going over my car, looking over fuses.
Let's see the damage.
$6.99, Jimmy.
Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. $699.99.
Is that what it is?
I'm 0.1 away from 700.
Woo!
Holy shit. Why she make 700?
Oh. That's funny. Well, guys, it's been a long day, but we're all done now. And look at that! Look at this. We have E85 going in the Boss 302 now.
85. Let me.
Oh! There it is! There it is! Woo! Here we go. First time filling it up.
There we go.
So, Jay, were you satisfied with the numbers today?
I'm more than satisfied. Here we go.
I'm getting her filled up here.
Hey, what if this was diesel? How about?
Well, we'd be stuck here. So, but yes. Well, gentlemen, it was a long day. The Shelby ended up staying over there in St. Louis because basically they want to get that taillight issue fixed. They're going to need some more time to diagnose it. But it's cold, so I'm going to wrap up this video. It was an awesome, successful day, everything considered, and we're happy. And yeah, it was awesome. So as always, please like, subscribe, tell us what's in your stables, because you know this bad boy's in this one. So that's how we roll. And until then, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video, guys. You have a great one, and thanks for watching.